CreditWise is useful, but most people misunderstand what it actually shows. CreditWise mainly helps by correcting common credit score myths so you don't make scared decisions. Checking your score here doesn't lower it because it's not a hard pull, and it also won't magically boost your score just because you looked. Hard pulls happen when you apply for credit, not when you monitor it. Alerts can help you catch identity theft faster, but score updates aren't instant. And no, there isn't one universal score everyone uses. To use CreditWise well, you need to know what it is and what it isn't. It shows a score using the Vantage Score model and tracks items on your credit report, like accounts, balances, and inquiries. The alerts are the real value because they flag key changes quickly. But that score isn't a guarantee you'll be approved, since lenders may use different models. It also isn't a credit bureau login, and it's not a credit repair service. If your CreditWise score jumps around, that usually reflects scoring math, not your life falling apart. Different models and versions can produce different numbers from the same report, and lenders choose which score to use for each product. Utilization is a big reason for swings because it's based on what reports on your statement date, not the day you pay. So a small balance change can look huge. And new accounts take time to help, even if you pay perfectly. If you want to improve the score CreditWise shows, focus on the factors that move the needle most. Payment history is about 35 common scoring models, so on-time payments matter more than tricks. Utilization is the next big lever, and under 30% is more of a minimum. Under 10% is a stronger target. Age of credit is roughly 15%, so keeping older accounts open helps. New credit costs about 10% temporarily, and a limit increase can lower utilization without spending less. Use CreditWise like a weekly dashboard, not a daily obsession. Review alerts and scan for inquiries you don't recognize because that's often the first sign of fraud. Check for accounts that aren't yours and act quickly if something looks off. To control utilization, pay before the statement closes so a smaller balance reports, aiming to keep it under 10%, and only dispute errors you can verify because valid disputes need documentation and false claims can backfire. One of the fastest legit wins is paying before the statement closes to keep reported utilization under 10%. If you want the right next card for your score and spending, CreditCardAgent matches you with a personalized score and shows the estimated dollar impact versus your current card. Free, about 3 minutes, no credit check. Links in the description.